Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating paper on improving large language model reasoning, DeepRAG. It tackles a big problem, those pesky factual hallucinations LLMs are prone to.
Right. Factual hallucinations are a huge issue. So how does DeepRAG aim to solve this? Is it just another retrieval augmented generation, RAG, approach, or is there something more innovative?
It's more than just another RAG approach. DeepRAG models the whole retrieval augmented reasoning process as a Markov decision process, or MDP. That's a pretty clever move, allowing for strategic and adaptive retrieval. Think of it like a game, where the LLM makes decisions step by step, deciding whether to retrieve more information or rely on its existing knowledge.
An MDP framework? That's interesting. So instead of just blindly retrieving everything, it intelligently decides what's needed at each step. How does it determine that?
Exactly. It iteratively decomposes the queries, dynamically choosing between retrieving external knowledge or using its internal reasoning. This avoids redundant retrieval, which is a common problem in RAG systems that can lead to noise and inaccurate answers. It's all about efficiency and precision.
So it's like a more thoughtful, less wasteful version of RAG. But how does this translate to actual improvements? The paper mentions some impressive results, right?
Yeah, the results are pretty compelling. They found that DeepRAG significantly improves retrieval efficiency while boosting answer accuracy by a whopping 21.99%. That's a substantial leap forward in addressing the limitations of current LLMs. It really shows the power of this strategic approach.
21.99% is a significant improvement. That's a game changer, especially considering the challenges in combining reasoning and retrieval. But I'm curious, what are the potential limitations or future directions for DeepRAG? Is it a perfect solution?
Well, no system is perfect, right? While DeepRAG shows great promise, future work could explore more sophisticated MDP models, perhaps incorporating more nuanced reward functions, or exploring different ways to decompose queries. Also, the scalability to extremely large knowledge bases is something to consider. But overall, it's a very promising step.
I see. So it's a significant advancement, but there's still room for improvement and further research. It's exciting to see this kind of innovative work pushing the boundaries of LLM capabilities. The strategic, step-by-step approach is really key here.
Absolutely. DeepRAG's approach of treating retrieval-augmented reasoning as an MDP is a significant contribution. It elegantly addresses the challenges of both efficiency and accuracy in a way that previous methods haven't. It's a really exciting development in the field of LLMs. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into DeepRAG. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.